Hello everyone, my name is Saula Khan and we are on a Softic Mentor channel and I am guiding Mext Scholarship 2023 University track that is fully funded scholarship. So first of all, you need the email of a professor. So how actually we are going to find it, and in this video, I will show you an example of one university. We will just open the university website and then we will try to find the email of a professor and the email of a relevant professor whose interest or whose major matches to ours. So let's start this video. Okay, so now we are going to the website of one of the university, Toyohashi University of Technology. I randomly selected one of the university so that we can see the email of a professor or we can find an email of a professor. So just click the official email address of any university and you can see this is an interface. You can see this is the introduction, undergraduate and graduate school. The first thing you ever have to check is that whether your graduate school or undergraduate school falls in this university or not. So let's go there. So just by clicking there, you can see it is showing that this we have the departments, we have the faculty member list at there. So some of the universities will be there where you will easily find the faculty member list, and just by going to the graduate school and they have a PDF file or might be some you know database there. Let's go there in a faculty member list. So you can see just by clicking there, we have the faculty member list. And now you can see it is arranged in a or organized in a department wise. So let's see which department we are interested in. My department is relevant to somehow civil engineering. So I am just going to Department of Architecture and Civil Engineering. So now you can see all the professor who I'm seeing is right now are from Department of Architecture and Civil Engineering. So now my actually the focus of research will not be only on civil engineering. Actually, it is going to be something specific, relevant to might be urban planning, might be something environmental engineering, or might be some relevant to others. So every professor will have this different skills or might be different research interests. So we have to match it actually. So if you wanted to find the email address of the professor, just click any professor name. So I just click the professor there, and you can see I just went there and I found the professor email. You can see this is the email of the professor, and it already wrote that just put the end of the address there and put at the rate in between them. And you can see this is the professor email. Similarly, you can also open the professor email of some associate professor. You can see this is the email address of the professor, associate professor actually, whose field of research is traffic engineering. And you can see different city planning institute he has, and you can see the profile of the professor as well. So this is how actually you are going to find the email of the professor. But in some universities, you will not find this situation. So there's another way. So what is that way? You just visit the department. You can see there in the first side, it is clearly written this is 5 department and 1 institute. Just click there. And now you can see there are different departments available. Just go click on the one which you are interested in. I'm just clicking there. Now we have the option the department website. So actually we were finding the department website specific because there they have clearly mentioned this, these are the staff members. So just I'm clicking on department website. Now you can see we have the Department of Architecture in it, and you can see here the staff. So let's move to the staff. So there are two choices for me. There are architecture and urban design and the urban and regional management. So I'm interested in urban and regional management. Just clicking there, you can see there's another list. The professor, the position of the professor or the faculty members, and now the field in which their expertise are, in which I can see here. Now their specialization, and the current focus of research. So this is how actually you are going to find an email of a professor. You can see on the left side, they have written in image form. You just note it down and then you can email the professor. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe it. If you have any question, just put it in the comment box and I will address it. Thank you so much. For more videos, you can just check the playlist. I am making a lot of videos, so you can either find it in a description or you can just go to the playlist and you will find a lot of videos. Thank you.